In this lesson, we're going to get an introduction to one of the associative collection classes in Java, the Treemap class. And we're going to use it to store a set of names and phone numbers. So let's get started. We're going to call this program numbers.java. The first thing we need to do is to import the Treemap class. So we'll do that first. Then we'll start our program. To instantiate a Treemap object, we have to tell it the data types of both the key and the value. So for a phone book, it's going to be simple string and string. String for the name and string for the number. So we'll call our Treemap object numbers and then call the constructor. Then open and close parentheses. To add a key value pair to a map, you use the put method. So we'll write a name and a number. Let's do a few more. Let's do one more. There we go. To retrieve a value, we use the get method with an argument of a key. So for example, if I want to see Cynthia's number, I'll write numbers.get and then pass in Cynthia. So let's compile this and see what we get. Java C numbers.java and then Java numbers. And we'll see that Cynthia's extension or phone number is 2335. Let's add another number. Then let's look at the size of our map at this point. So we call the size method. And it will tell us how many key value pairs are being stored in our tree map. Let's compile and then run. So we see that we have 5. If we want to remove one, we call the remove method with a key. And then we can check the size again. And see if the size went down to 4 when we removed an item. Those are the primary methods that we use to work with Treemap. There are some other things that we can do. I'm going to save that for the exercises. So now let's move to the next associative collection that we're going to look at, and that's called the hash map.